Hi everyone, welcome to Chemspire. In the previous video of Introduction to Chemistry, we discussed about your 11th chemistry syllabus. In this video, we are going to learn about what is chemistry, why study chemistry, that is importance of chemistry, and branches of chemistry. Now when you say chemistry, what comes in your mind? Atoms, elements, chemicals, acids and bases, molecules, etc. So we can say chemistry is the science of atoms, molecules and the transformations. But if we want to define chemistry, we can define it as chemistry is a study of CPI of matter, where C stands for composition, P is the properties and I is the interaction of matter. Now when we choose our career in science stream, many times we think that why should we study chemistry? So let's discuss the importance of this by taking example as your daily routine. You brush your teeth which has calcium and magnesium carbonates, that is toothpaste. Then you take a bath with sodium or potassium salts of fatty acids, that is nothing but your soap. You drink dihydrogen oxide, that is water, have breakfast full of proteins, fats and carbohydrates. Then you go to the school or college, buy a vehicle which uses petrol, diesel as a fuel. Then you use different files, notebooks, bags, blackboards and many other things which are made up of carbon, polymers, etc. And after a hectic day, you come back on bed and get cozy in soft, smooth fiber, that is blanket. So as we have discussed, the first and the last thing you do in a day all related to chemistry. Not only that, but chemistry is also important in many industries which makes soaps, detergents, polymers, medicines, fertilizers, etc. So chemistry is an integral part of our life and hence we should learn more about it. Branches of chemistry. There are 5 main branches of chemistry: organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, analytical chemistry and biochemistry. Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the study of properties and reactions of compounds containing carbon. So the compounds like methane, ethane, propane and many other which has carbon in it we discussed under organic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is the study of all substances which are not organic. So here we discussed all the compounds which do not have carbon in it. So the compounds of oxides, carbonates, sulfides of different metals and non-metals and the properties we discussed under inorganic chemistry. Physical chemistry. It is the study of properties and transformation of matter. As we know, solid, liquid, gas, plasma are the states of matter. So the transformations of these states of matter and the fundamental concepts related to electrons, energies and dynamics we study under physical chemistry. Analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is a study of separation, identification, and analysis of matter. Here we do two main types of analysis: qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. In qualitative analysis, we discussed about what is present in your compound, and in quantitative analysis, we find out about how much present in your compound. Biochemistry. Biochemistry is the study of matter in living organisms. So here we discussed all the reactions and properties related to proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, etc. There are some other branches in chemistry like nuclear chemistry, polymer chemistry, surface chemistry, forensic chemistry, etc. Yes, so that's it for now. For 11 chemistry introduction and the syllabus, please check the video of Introduction to Chemistry Part 1. And also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.